Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. But before I start the video, please can you just subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up Snapchat, and once you have opened up Snapchat, go to the top left to open up your profile, and then click on the top right to open up your settings. Now once you are here, you want to find until it says see me. You see see me in quick add, click on that, and then what you want to do is make sure that this is enabled so that you are shown in the quick add thingy. Now go back one more time, scroll down until you see your create a public profile. Now I already have the profile created, but basically here you will be able to see your public profile. It will say something like create public profile. You click on it, you just follow the on-screen steps, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.